Humans love a good space story. That's why it's so much fun to speculate about unusual objects seen in images of Mars. Our imaginations turn rock formations into fish and cosmic rays into alien communications. A recent image from the NASA Perseverance rover generated plenty of jokes about what looks like a rear end. Is it an alien keister? Nope, it's just a goofy rock formation. Join us as we explore some famous Mars mysteries and the scientific explanations behind them. NASA's Viking 1 orbiter zipped near Mars in 1967 and took this now iconic image of the surface. What's got everyone excited is the face-like formation in the upper center of the picture. If you have a creative mind, it's easy to see it having two eyes, a nose, a mouth, and a weird hairdo. It even looks a bit like a young Elvis Presley. You can see why some people thought the face was an alien-built monument on Mars. Well, stick around, because in today's video, we will be showing you some unquestionable things found on Mars. Without further ado, let's begin. Subscribe for latest updates about tech industry. The future is now. A newer look at the Mars face. If everyone with an active imagination and a blog is to be believed, Mars is a wonderland of jelly donuts, human bones, and alien-built monuments to Elvis Presley. The latest entry into the delightful world of bizarre formations on the red planet is a crab-shaped object hidden deep in the image snapped by NASA's Mars Curiosity rover in July. The picture got a big social media boost when Facebook group Journey to the Surface of the Mars posted an enhanced close-up, and discussion took off with comments saying it looks like a spider, a facehugger from Alien, and a rock lobster. Odd-looking things pop up in Mars images all the time, but we can excuse them due to shadows, tricks of the light, strange angles, and our very human propensity for assigning familiar names to random shapes, just like when we see dragons and fluffy clouds. Perseverance rover butt crack rock. NASA's Perseverance rover is on Mars to undertake serious science, but we can still have fun with some of the weirder rocks the wheeled explorer has spotted since landing in February. The latest entry in the oddball category is what software engineer Kevin Gill, a data wrangler at NASA JPL, dubbed Butt Crack Rock. Insert Beavis and Butthead snickering noises here. The rover snapped a series of views of the rotund item. Gill patched together a series of partial images taken by the rover on May 31st to reveal the full glory of the rock. Perseverance later snapped a full image on June 3rd. There's a long history with Mars and pareidolia, the human tendency to see familiar objects in random shapes. I once spent hours looking for faces in the images from NASA's Curiosity rover just for fun. Space fans have imaginatively seen rocks and formations that resemble a bone, a fish, blueberries, and even a spoon. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Mars South Pole Angel and Heart. Santa might live at the North Pole on Earth, but there's an angel near the South Pole on Mars. The European Space Agency looked at a view of the red planet captured by its Mars Express spacecraft and spotted an ethereal shape in the surface formations. The defined wings of an angelic figure, complete with halo, can be seen sweeping up and off the top frame of the image. The space agency also pointed out a heart shape below the angel's wing. The deep colors are due to the dark sands in this Martian dune field. There's quite a bit of geology on display in this image. The angel's hand off to the left is likely a sublimation pit, a seasonal feature that occurs when ice turns into vapor, leaving a noticeable depression behind. It's the same phenomena that made part of Mars look like a 70s shag carpet in a 2018 NASA image. The head and halo are formed of an impact crater, created as a body of space flew inward to collide with Mars' crust, said ESA. This impact left multiple layers of deposits on display, giving us a peek below the surface. Fine, scratch-like marks in the surrounding landscape are telltale signs of dust devil action on the windy planet. The science is fascinating, and ESA's imaginative interpretation of the shapes is a fitting way to mark the holiday season. It's also quite a bit more charming than spotting Mr. Hanky the Christmas Pooh from South Park on Jupiter. Not a drill bit. There may be turmoil on Earth, but contemplating the quiet calm of weird rocks on Mars can be a soothing escape, especially when they resemble common Earth objects, like pancakes and drill bits. Curiosity snapped several views of a smooth, shiny rock on November 3rd. It is in good company with another smaller rock that sports a similar sheen. The larger rock looks a lot like a wayward pancake, but keep in mind that these close-up images often make small pebbles seem much bigger than they really are. That's one reason why this weird little rock seen in 2019 was not a robot leg. Scientists on Twitter have been sharing and discussing some of the funny-shaped rocks seen by Curiosity in recent days. Planetary scientist Emily Lakdawala retweeted a shot of the shiny rock along with a lovely tribute poem, inspired by Moana, about how it may have been smoothed with sand. The rock, which one observer thought looked like melted chocolate ice cream, may be a ventifact that was polished by wind and sand. Mars has plentiful supplies of both. Brachiosaurus rock. With a few flights of fancy and a willingness to be silly, you can find all sorts of entertaining shapes littered across the floor of the Jezero crater. Gil has a long track record of processing Mars images for the enjoyment of space fans. He spotted an elegant rock snapped by the rover on April 15th. Aw, it looks like NASA Perseverance found a tiny fossilized Brachiosaurus on Mars, Gills tweeted. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one of them is the most mysterious. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video!